Y'all, I never fucked Wayne, I never fucked Drake. All my life, man, fuck's sake. If I did, I menage with him and let him eat my ass like a cupcake. My man fool, he just ate. I don't duck nobody but tape. Yeah, that was a setup for a punchline on duct tape. What about my butt fake? What about y'all niggas are straight? These girls are my sons, John and Kate. +8 when I walk in, sit up straight. I don't give a fuck if I was late. Dinner with my man on a G5 is my idea of an update. Hut 1, hut 2. Big titties, big butt 2. Fuck with them real niggas who don't tell niggas what they up to. Had to show bitches where the top is. Ring finger where the rock is. These hoes couldn't test me, even if their name was Pop Quiz.
Simon says, get the fuck up. Get the fuck up. Simon says, get the fuck up. Throw your hands in the sky. Niggas in the back sipping yak, y'all.